Hello everyone. Welcome back to Thrive Talk English. I'm Anaya. This is day 5 of our 21 days to think and speak in English challenge. Over the past 4 days, you've built a strong foundation. You've learned how to think in English, shadow conversations, introduce yourself naturally, and speak with confidence. Now it's time for the next level. Let me ask you a question. Can you say, I like coffee? Of course you can. But can you turn that into a long, natural sentence like a confident English speaker? If not, today's lesson is exactly what you need. I'll show you a simple sentence building formula that you can use in almost every English conversation without making grammar feel difficult. Don't leave before the speaking practice because that's where you'll put today's formula into action and start creating longer English sentences on your own without translating in your head. So, are you ready? Let's begin day 5. Here's the first thing you need to understand. Every long sentence begins with a very small sentence. Think of it like building a tree. The tree starts with a small seed, then it slowly grows branches and leaves. English sentences grow the same way. They start small and then we add information step by step. So first we create a simple core sentence. A core sentence has 3 basic parts: subject plus verb plus information. Let's see a simple example. I learn English. Here, I is the subject, learn is the verb, English is the information. And just like that, you already have a complete English sentence. This sentence is short, clear, and natural. Now, here is something very important to remember. Fluent speakers do not start with long sentences. They start with simple ideas first. So, if your sentences feel small right now, that is perfectly okay. Simple sentences are the foundation of fluent English. And once your brain becomes comfortable with these short sentences, we can slowly make them longer. Now let me give you 5 simple tips that will make sentence building much easier. Tip number 1. Don't memorize long sentences. Many learners try to memorize entire paragraphs, but that usually creates more pressure. Instead, start with a simple sentence and slowly add information. That's how confidence grows. Tip number 2. Always find the subject and the verb. Whenever you see an English sentence, ask yourself 2 questions. Who is doing the action and what is the action? For example, I drink coffee. Who is doing the action? I. What is the action? Drink. Once you find these 2 parts, most of the sentence becomes much easier to understand. Tip number 3. Practice expanding one sentence every day. Don't try to learn 50 sentences. Take one sentence and make it longer. For example, I study English. I study English at home. I study English at home every day. I study English at home every day with my mobile phone. Can you see what's happening? The sentence is growing naturally, and your brain is learning how English really works. Tip number 4. Ask yourself simple questions. Where? When? How? Why? For what purpose? Every answer adds a new piece of information, and every new piece of information helps your sentence become longer and more natural. If you don't know what to say next, simply ask one of these questions. Your sentence will continue growing automatically. And finally, tip number 5. Don't think about English as a collection of grammar rules. Think about English as a pattern. A short sentence is like a seed. A long sentence is like a tree. The seed grows into the tree. And the same thing happens with English sentences. In fact, there is one powerful pattern that can help you create thousands of sentences. Subject plus verb plus object plus place plus time plus method plus purpose. Let's see it together. I learn English at home every day by watching videos to improve my speaking skills. Notice something important. The sentence looks long, but it's actually just one simple idea with extra information added step by step. And once you understand this pattern, you will never be afraid of long English sentences again. You will be able to create your own sentences naturally, confidently, and fluently. Now let's do a quick speaking practice together. Repeat after me. I drink coffee. I drink coffee every morning. I drink coffee every morning at my desk. I drink coffee every morning at my desk while planning my day. I drink coffee every morning at my desk while planning my day to stay focused and productive throughout the day. Excellent. Let's continue. I believe in myself. I believe in myself every day. I believe in myself every day, even when life is difficult. I believe in myself every day, even when life is difficult, because I know every small step brings me closer to my dreams. Now, let's practice another life lesson. I never give up. I never give up when things get hard. I never give up when things get hard because every challenge teaches me something. I never give up when things get hard because every challenge teaches me something new about myself. I never give up when things get hard because every challenge teaches me something new about myself and makes me stronger. Now, one more powerful sentence. I follow my dreams. I follow my dreams every single day. I follow my dreams every single day with determination. I follow my dreams every single day with determination, even when progress feels slow. I follow my dreams every single day with determination because I know consistency creates success. Here's our final sentence. Repeat after me. I choose to grow. I choose to grow every day. I choose to grow every day by improving myself. I choose to grow every day by improving myself through learning and practice. I choose to grow every day by improving myself through learning and practice. Because the best investment is the one I make in myself. Excellent! You did a great job today. Keep practicing this method every day, and soon building long English sentences will feel natural. Today's homework. Take this simple sentence. I read books. Now make it longer. Add where you read, when you read, how you read, and why you read. Then record yourself speaking for 30 to 60 seconds using your complete sentence. Finally, write your long sentence in the comments below. I would love to read your answers. Congratulations! You have successfully completed day 5 of our 21 days to think and speak in English challenge. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends who are learning English. Your support helps us grow this amazing English learning community. I'll see you tomorrow in day 6. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking English.